Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga. It's around 10:37 AM of the March 2025, mga kaibigan. Just to take first our video right now, in which we need to discuss all the things that we have on this universe. It is the grace or the given by the Almighty Father who art in heaven. Mga kaibigan, that's can you imagine that the power does not given to us, or does not was given, it was taken. That's you need to understand that the power, it is not given, it was taken. So it must be, if you have believe in power, you play the game of the smart, to use your mind, to use our mind, mga kaibigan. Because strong people believe on the reality of this universe. That's the weak people believe on the fairness and the other part of this universe, mga kaibigan. That's fairness and other thoughts was in the weak people. So that's why the smarter one, they will use the poor, they will use the they don't have money, especially right now that the power, it was taken, especially if you are a wealthy, or you are belongs to the wealthiest man. So it is not all about our dignity. It is all about on how to be on that part of this universe. Should be to understand how the power exists. If the one who ruled and lead a certain boundaries and territories of the one state, they are not believing what we are, the fairness of all of that, but they are believing the principle of law and the due process. Especially here in the Philippines, we believe the due process of law through the mandate of the Philippine Constitution, which is the fundamental laws of the land, mga kaibigan. So there is a lot of the argumentations, or the arguing the due process, that they're all rights by Filipino was indicated and was mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. So in this, it is our Bible of this sovereign nations and the independent nations in the Far East, that the Philippines was on that way, mga kaibigan. So try to understand, if we are a Filipino, and then try to discuss, try to discover what is the most very important about the constitutions. If you don't have a knowledge regarding about law, regarding about the history of the one state or the country, and then you will be become for nothing. You know what is the 48 powers of the law, known to be a dark psychologist, or known to be a dark psychology. It is a manipulation tactics. So you know on how to handle life, you know how to lead the country, you know how to lead a certain small types of the community. When we are on that way of leading, mga kaibigan, especially if you are an elected officials of this country, because constitutions was mandated by the one who led the country through the elections, and also they are appointed by law. Those law enforcement officer, the one who led to enforce the law of the country, to have a tip from us. So I hope so, mga kaibigan, you will be understand, and we will be understand by the constitutional rights of all human, that the basic constitutional rights of all the Filipino here in the countries was it is called all about the constitutional mandate rights. No, mga kaibigan, it is our basic here in this country. It is the part that didn't have rights to above the law. So mga kaibigan, so we are here today. So it is the part of our discussions. It is the part to answer the questions of everybody that we are here in the new City Hall of Tagum City while waiting in my wife who are renewing our license in our sari-sari store, our business, this new type of business on this universe, mga kaibigan. So I hope so you can understand what was the most very important in life. It is not all about on how do we move, on how the important is our life, and the way to respect people, the way to treat people. Because when we are feeding a 3 days for the dog, and the dog will remember us for 3 years. Then when we are feeding for 3 years a month, and then we will forget for 3 days. So that's why mga kaibigan, we need be careful and be vigilant of everything on this universe. That they don't have everything. When we are die, and they do not carry for the something in our conditions or what we are putting in ourselves as a successful life in this universe. But we come up to nothing up to the ending of this life. So that's why we need be careful. So especially when we are on that servicing to the country, to serve the country, whether you are elected or not, and then serve with the principle of law, serve with the principle of the constitutional rights, to uplift, to uphold the constitutional conditions of our country. That is the most basic as, mga kaibigan, as tools of the government. So I hope so you can understand what I am talking about here, mga kaibigan. So to preserve the younger generations of this country, if we did not like to hide everything in ourselves, and then read more books in your life, read more books in our life,